Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. In this video, we're going to put the American Express Green Card against the American Express Gold Card and see which one makes more sense for you. Let's get started. In our comparison, we're going to look at the sign-up bonuses as of November 2020, how you can earn and redeem points, the main benefits of each card. We'll then do a side-by-side comparison, and I'll help you determine which one is best and which one to get based on your spending habits and your reward preferences. And for those of you who may be curious, the green card is plastic and the gold card is metal. I hope you enjoyed that drop test segment. Now, let's move into the sign-up bonuses. For the Amex Green Card, the sign-up bonus as of November 2020 is 45,000 points after you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. The value of that bonus is anywhere from $270 up to around $900 on average based on how you use your points. We'll get into that in just a few moments here. Now, earning points on the Green Card, it gives you 3 points per dollar on travel, transit, and restaurants, and then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $150. Now, generally speaking, the triple point category for travel includes things like airfare, hotels, rental cars, cruises, and a whole bunch of other things of that nature. Then triple points on transit includes things like rideshares like Uber and Lyft, taxis and cabs, toll roads, parking, and a bunch of other things as well. And then restaurants includes things like restaurants, of course, and also food delivery services like Uber Eats and Grubhub. Now, in case you're curious about more of the fine details of these triple point categories, I did a full in-depth video review of the American Express Green Card in a separate video. I recommend you go watch that one to learn about those additional details. Now, when it comes to redeeming your points earned on the Amex Green Card, there are a ton of different ways to do so, but in this video, to keep things short, sweet, and for comparison purposes, I'm gonna focus on 3 main ones, namely a couple ways for travel and 1 way for cash back. If you redeem your points for travel, you can transfer your points from the American Express Membership Rewards program into partner airline programs and hotel programs. Those are the transfer partners that you see on the top left of your screen. When you do so, an average value you may be able to get is about 2 cents per point, making your 45,000 point sign-up bonus worth around $900. If you want much greater flexibility to book any type of travel you want, you can go through the Amex Travel Portal, where you can get 0.7 cents per point on hotels, rental cars, cruises, and vacation packages, or a full 1 cent per point when you book flights on that portal. That would make your 45,000 point sign-up bonus worth $350 or $450. And then there's the cashback option as a statement credit to wipe out some of your charges. This would give you 0.6 cents per point. Of course, that's the lowest value. I recommend you avoid that if you don't need to use it. Doing so would make your 45,000 points worth only $270. Now, since this card does have a $150 annual fee, in order to make it at least somewhat competitive to the no-fee cashback cards, which have gotten very good over the years, by the way, Amex does give you some credits that you can use each year to help you earn back some of that fee. First is the Clear credit for $100 per year. This will allow you to get through security faster at select airports and stadiums nationwide. Then there's the Airport Lounge credit, also up to $100 per year. You can get reimbursed for airport lounge day passes via the Lounge Buddy app. The Amex Green Card has no foreign transaction fees, and it gives you a free Shop Runner membership, giving you free 2-day shipping and returns at over 100 retailers. And since using Amex's transfer partners can oftentimes yield the highest value for your points, here's a current list of the airlines and hotels that are transfer partner options. A lot of the big value here can be found using the international airline transfer partners and booking seats in higher class cabins, but there are also some good options for domestic travel as well. I had to. Let's move on to the Gold Card. The sign-up bonus on the Amex Gold Card as of November 2020 is 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. The average value of this bonus will be from about $360 up to around $1,200. Once again, depending on how you redeem your points, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Earning points on the card is a bit different than on the Green Card. Here, you'll earn 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 spent per year, then 1x going forward until it refreshes the following year. Then you'll earn 4 points per dollar at restaurants, 3 points per dollar on flights, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. The annual fee on the Gold Card is $250. And for those of you who use food delivery services, whether it's for delivery or for pickup, there's some great perks on this card that you'll really enjoy. Let's check them out. First on the list is a dining credit, $120 per year. That's broken down into $10 per month credits. These can be used on Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Boxed, and select Shake Shack locations. The way this benefit works is you simply charge your purchase to the card and automatically a $10 per month statement credit will be issued to your account. Then there's the airline fee credit, $100 per year. Now you can choose one airline from the list of selected airline partners to charge incidentals like bag fees, in-flight purchases, lounge day passes, and more, and you'll automatically be reimbursed for those incidental charges. Now this benefit is going away as of December 31st, 2021. However, in its place, Amex will be adding a new Uber cash benefit, $120 per year, just like the dining credit. This will also issue you $10 per month in the form of Uber Cash, and that will begin early 2021. So with the dining credit, you simply charge your purchase to the card and Amex will reimburse you up to $10 per month. On the other hand, with the Uber Cash benefit, rather than making a purchase and getting a statement credit back, you're simply issued $10 of Uber Cash up front. You then use that to pay for your purchase using the Uber app or the Uber Eats app. Now I've got to say, personally, I like the Uber Cash better because if you have multiple cards with an Uber Cash benefit, it's all pooled together and combined into your account. But with a dining credit, which can be used toward Grubhub and all those other select merchants, that's a statement credit after the fact. So you can't pool them together up front. Not the end of the world, but a small inconvenience, just something to be aware of. Next up is the hotel collection. When you book a hotel stay through this portal, you'll receive a $100 property credit and a room upgrade where available. Just be aware that you have to book 2 or more consecutive nights in order to be eligible for that benefit. And lastly, there are no foreign transaction fees on this card. Redeeming your points on the Amex Gold card side is exactly the same as on the green card. They earn the same type of points, they have the same options for travel, cash back, and other options as well. The only difference you'll see on this screen is on the right-hand side where I factored in the value of your sign-up bonus. So instead of 45K points, you're now earning 60K points worth about $1,200 on average using Transfer Partners, $420 for travel, including hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacations, or $600 toward flights, and $360 of cash back. All right, now let's do our side-by-side comparison. Looking at the two cards side by side, obviously the gold card gives you more points if you can meet the spend requirement. But that's the big factor here. If you're not yet able to spend $4,000 in the first 6 months of card membership, you probably don't want to go with the gold card right now. But if you can spend $2,000 in 6 months, then go with the green. But most importantly is to make sure that you only spend money that you normally spend anyway. Earning points on these two cards has some differences and a little bit of overlap. You'll notice that I put the restaurants category in bold and in green on both cards because that's a common category that they share. The green card gives you triple points at restaurants while the gold card gives you 4 points per dollar. Then while the gold card earns triple points on flights, the green card earns triple points on travel, including flights and much more. Redeeming points between the two cards is identical with the same travel and cashback option, and I also included gift cards on the screen so you can see that as well. Whichever card you end up getting, you can go to the rewards section of your online account and see all of the options there. Then when it comes to the benefits, the commonalities here are the no foreign transaction fees benefit and the shop runner membership. I put both of those in bold and in blue so they stand out. So which card is best? Well, definitely the green card is best for travel. It allows you to earn points on travel in much broader categories, and the annual credits are also geared toward travel as well. Then we've got the gold card that is best for food. It allows you to earn points on food both at supermarkets and at restaurants and food delivery services, and the monthly credits you receive are good for food as well. Remember that $100 airline fee credit is ending at the end of 2021. So between these two cards, which one should you get? Get the green card if you travel moderately to frequently, spend broadly on travel and transit, will use the Clear and Lounge Buddy credits, and want to redeem points for travel. Get the gold card if you spend on flights when you travel, spend a lot at restaurants and grocery stores, use Uber and Grubhub, etc., and still want to redeem points for travel. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you can use your Amex membership rewards points in a variety of different ways. I'm just saying you should redeem them for travel if you want to get high value. And if you want the simplest explanation possible in terms of which card should you get, just look at the 2 emojis that I put at the very end. Those pretty much sum everything up perfectly. Now, you probably noticed that I do have both cards over here, so should you do the same? Well, you may want to consider getting both cards if you spend broadly on travel and transit, spend a lot at restaurants and groceries, and desire travel rewards that can be pooled together. Since both cards earn membership rewards points, they actually end up showing as one account balance total when you log into your Amex account. So using both cards together is a great way to accelerate your point earnings on both food and travel. But don't get either card if you value cash back rewards. The exception would be if you combine them with the American Express Platinum card for Schwab. I did a separate video review on that card to explain why that exception is actually a very advantageous path to take. But without that card factored in, and as you saw in my examples earlier in this video, cashback redemptions with these points is not good value. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. And for all of you out there who are considering either of these cards and still have some questions, drop those in the comments down below. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.